Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best glass cleaning cloths is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in your cleaning arsenal. Achieving a streak-free shine on glass surfaces can be a real challenge, but with the right microfiber cloths, it becomes surprisingly easy. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of microfiber glass cleaning cloths, exploring what makes them effective and how to choose the best ones for your needs. Number 5. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 6-pack. This is the ultimate cleaning solution. It's designed to gently and effectively clean a variety of surfaces, leaving them spotless. Made from high-quality microfiber, it effortlessly absorbs and removes dust, oil, and smudges. It leaves no scratches or streaks behind, ensuring a perfect clean every time. This cloth is perfect for all your screen cleaning needs. It works great on eyeglasses, phones, tablets, and TVs. It's a must-have for anyone who wants a clear view. Each cloth comes individually packaged to ensure it's always ready to use. The pack includes 6 cloths, 5 black and 1 gray, each measuring 6 by 7 inches. The delicate craftsmanship allows for versatile use. You can use it on any delicate surface, from your laptop to your camera lens. It's the perfect solution for all your cleaning needs. Get magical results for the things you care about most. This product is the perfect choice for keeping your belongings clean and protected. What we like. This cloth is designed for all products, from glasses to screens. It comes in individual packaging, ensuring it's always ready to use. If you have multiple devices or items with delicate surfaces, this is the perfect solution. It will keep them clean and protected. What people say. They're incredibly effective for cleaning glasses, screens, laptops, tablets, and phones, leaving everything crystal clear with 0 streaks. The cloths are soft yet have enough structure to make wiping easy without being flimsy. I have found that these are absolutely the best for using as the final towel wipe for a spotless, dustless, streakless surface, especially on glass and screens. Number 4. Koala Lens Cleaning Cloth, 6-pack. This is the Koala Lens Cleaning Cloth. It's engineered to provide crystal clear performance every time. The cloth effortlessly absorbs dirt and oils, leaving your lenses spotless. The secret is the Japanese microfiber. It's ultrafine, super dense, and lint-free. The honeycomb matrix design ensures maximum cleaning performance. This cloth is perfect for all your optics. From eyeglasses to camera lenses and touch screens, it delivers unparalleled performance. It's even great for AR/VR headsets. The cloth is washable and reusable. It outperforms disposable alternatives, reducing waste. Simply wash it by hand with cold water and mild soap, then air dry. When you choose Koala, you're joining a community. The company believes lenses and screens deserve long-lasting performance. They exist to serve that vision. What we like. This cloth uses Japanese microfiber for superior cleaning. It offers crystal clear performance on all optics. If you are looking for a durable and reusable option for your lenses and screens, this is the one for you. It will provide long-lasting performance. What people say. After a brief wipe down of the lenses, I held them up to the light and they were perfectly cleaned. Being able to hand wash is another must-have feature. I've gone through cheaper cloths that disintegrate once they touch dish soap, or get to a certain age soaked with skin oils dust. These cloths are top quality. They clean my glasses better than anything else I have. They're close to the cloths that come with my prescription glasses from optometry but better. Number 3. MR.SIGA Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Introducing the MR.SIGA Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. These cloths are designed to make cleaning easier and more effective. They are perfect for a variety of surfaces. Made with ultrafine microfiber, this cloth is incredibly soft. It won't scratch any surface, ensuring a safe and gentle clean every time. This cloth is lint-free and non-abrasive. It leaves surfaces sparkling clean without any streaks or scratches. You can use it with confidence on delicate items. Cleaning the cloth is a breeze. It's easy to wash, and it can even be machine washed. This makes it convenient for repeated use. This cloth is ideal for mirrors, windows, stemware, lenses, and glasses. It's the perfect tool for achieving a streak-free shine on multiple surfaces. It is a must-have for your cleaning kit. Each cloth measures 35 by 40 centimeters, or 13.7 by 15.7 inches. This size is perfect for handling and cleaning various items. Get yours today. What we like. This cloth is soft and won't scratch surfaces. It's also lint-free and easy to wash. If you like a simple, effective cloth for mirrors, windows, and glasses, you should consider this. It will make cleaning easy. What people say. With these polishing rags, I use the more abrasive side to get the excess polish off, and then I use the softer side to get the mirror-like finish that I'm hoping for. They are super absorbent and collect way more liquid than others. They don't leave any lint, like some paper towels do, or any streaks. Number 2. Airlab Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, streak-free. Tired of streaks and smudges? This cloth ensures a sparkling clean finish on any glass surface. It's gentle enough to avoid scratching, leaving surfaces crystal clear. Measuring 12 by 12 inches, this cloth is easy to carry and store. You can tackle any glass surface with ease and achieve a streak-free shine. It is the perfect companion for all your glass cleaning needs. This miracle cleaning cloth helps you ditch expensive paper towels. It's a smart and sustainable choice for your cleaning needs, saving you money in the long run. This lint-free cloth isn't just for glass. It's also great for eyeglasses, wine glasses, mirrors, car windows, stainless steel appliances, and electronic screens. It is a versatile cleaning solution. Discover the ultimate cleaning solution with Airlab Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. It's durable, high quality, lightweight, super absorbent, and built to last. What we like. This cloth provides a streak-free finish on any glass surface. It's lightweight and easy to carry around. If you are looking for a versatile cleaning solution for various surfaces, you should choose this. It will make your cleaning tasks easier. What people say. They are thick for glass towels, have a smooth side for polishing and rough for scrubbing, and they leave a nice, streak-free finish. These cloths cleaned my bathroom sink and faucets so well, that they glistened when I was finished. They clean windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces without leaving a single streak or lint behind. I use them with just water most of the time. Number 1. Claro Microfiber Glass Cleaning Cloths, 8-pack. Tired of streaks and smudges? These microfiber cloths make cleaning quick and easy. You'll be amazed at how well they work on glass, mirrors, and more. Forget harsh chemicals. This cleaning method uses just water. It's an environmentally friendly and healthier way to clean your home and car. First, use the damp green cloth to clean. Then, follow up with the dry blue cloth. The result is a sparkling, streak-free finish every time. This pack includes cloths for all your cleaning needs. Use them on windows, mirrors, car windshields, and even stainless steel. They are perfect for any surface. These cloths are designed to last. They are machine washable and can be used hundreds of times. Detailed care instructions are included for your convenience. You'll receive 6 16 by 16-inch glass cleaning cloths and 2 12 by 12-inch all-purpose cleaning cloths. These microfiber cloths are the best choice for cleaning. What we like. This cloth offers streak-free cleaning with just water. It's an environmentally friendly alternative to chemicals. If you like a simple and eco-friendly cleaning method, you should consider this. It will make cleaning easier and healthier. What people say. They are great for cleaning windows and mirrors. They do not leave streaks. These cloths work great on glass and mirrors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.